Hello. It's Riame. This is the function of the eye. So this is the whole system.
We have around 18 minutes to close on submission.
So that's it.
Who is struggling to add their team members on Kaggle? I assist you.
Can go to the dashboard.
If you are struggling to add your team on Kaggle, so I can assist you to add your team. Kama wako sita. So if there's 6, you have to add all of them.
We're done. To add that. Dashboard. Yeah, we go back at Najmi. Everything is working just fine. Yeah, my eye. Yeah, manage results. So this is the project folder. This is the backend folder. Then this is the front end, the source documents, the components. This is where we write all the this is the terminal for backend, the front end. This is the maintenance.